conversation was carpentry because that is something that I am interested in doing when I'm older.
One thing I liked about construction floors is that we built a toolbox out of sheet metal, and we built a bench or a stool out of wood, and I think it's a good learning experience for all ages.
During construction wars, I liked working with the sheet metal. I liked working with that. Also, it gave me an idea of what I might want to do for my career. The mentors also did a good job of explaining how you would do certain things and what you would do in that career.
What I liked about construction wars is that the mentors took off the day at their job to come and educate us about their careers and their job and teach us to be successful in life.
My favorite part was the electrical station because it was fun hooking up all the wires and seeing the light bulb light up. And thank you for inviting me to the Construction Wars.